5 St. Thomas. Sean and I are getting ready for the Certified Scuba Excursion 2-tank dive. That'll be fun. Also, for those watching on the P&T at Sea channel, we've got another channel specifically dedicated to scuba diving. That is at Scubalinx. That is our brand, that's our company. We design wetsuits, rash guards, things like that. If you're into that kind of stuff, head over to the Scubalinx channel, like and subscribe, do all the things, watch the videos. But yeah, for those on the P&T channel, let's get this thing going. Jacking over there. Please be our boat, please be our boat, please be our boat. You
get a lot of southern stingrays out here, big stingrays. You see me doing this, I'm not freaking out underwater. That's eagle ray, all right? And if you don't look, you can miss the coolest one out. Very end, at the midway point of it, you're probably going to see a spot for Bill Letts. They do have a little underwater gravesite for him, for memorial that not a lot of people actually know about. I'll leave this all over there if you guys want to check that out too. This island will just be surrounded by a giant sand strip. You know, if you keep going and you hit the sand, weights up real quick. It's gonna be a good dive. It's gonna be a great dive. That looks beautiful down there. Go ahead and put your leg in your mouth. All the bottom deflators up in the air. Barracuda came right up underneath me. And I was like, yo, son, you fucking blowing bubbles. And I'm like, yo, this dude is coming. They get a taxi home, but they don't go on that route.
That's beautiful, brother. It's 11:30, 11:45 right now. It's been an amazing start to the day. Day 5 is fucking kicking ass. Let's go and get these other folks up, see what we're gonna get into today. I know one of the very first things is some motherfucking food. Then after that, we'll see what's cracking. I don't wanna run in that Croc store real quick. No, I don't wanna run in the Croc store. I don't need anything from the Croc store. I don't like Crocs.
He is lying, literally. Look. Oh, what does that say right there? Damn, look at that. Look at him.
They are the emotions, you know what I'm saying? Ow. Day 5, this is my first one for day 5.
This is my night ice cream.
You've been counting? Yeah, because that's his 3rd one since we've been down here.
In 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I got her ice cream. How many have you had today? I'm gonna get Shane now.
It's 4 o'clock, pretty tuckered out from the dive and getting up early. So we're probably gonna go nap. Get up at like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, something like that. There's nothing going on. We don't got any shows or anything tonight. The kids don't want to go play in the slides or do anything. Just gonna head back to the room. Get ready to pull an all-nighter. TT all day, every day. We're gonna get Sean's points up. Triple team it. Najee Trois, his C-Pass card, if you know what I'm talking about. We have arisen from our slumbers 8:30. We are on our way to the Windjammer to go get some dinner. When I tell you, they have called every single day about us not eating in the main dining room, and we have my time dining. My time dining, for those that don't know, my time dining is when you tell the staff, like, hey, I'm gonna show up whenever I want to eat dinner. But they keep calling like, hey, you got a 6:45 table. And I'm like, no, I have my time dining. Like, no, why y'all could call me every night, multiple times a day they call me. So so that's been interesting, my time dining. They call me every night. A little after dinner action, the arcade. I'm here for more support. I think you got this one. You got it. Volume. Turn it the wrong way, buddy. Okay, I think you're all done though. I think that was your 2 games.
Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, my turn. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Finally made it to breakfast at the Windjammer, and this is what we walk out to. Look, it's breakfast. We already ate. It's fine. It's day 6. It's a sea day. Breakfast in the Windjammer though, it's weird. The food on the Icon compared to the Star it's like sometimes it misses. Like it's not quite as like fresh and delicious. Like I don't know what it is, but like things just have like a kind of slightly off kind of taste. I don't know what's happening right now on the Icon. That's what I gotta say about that. Ice cream is hitting though. I'll take that all day. Sean found a friend through somebody's mom. She reached out. She was like, how old are you? And I was like, wait a minute, where's this going, lady? But she was like, oh, my son is 19. He doesn't really have anybody to hang out with. He's too old for the teenagers, but he's too young for the other people.
Yeah, we got a date at 4:30.
They're gonna go smash, bros. So we've taken a nap. It's 4:30. We're getting ready to do our Crown's Edge experience. Asa literally woke up at 3 in the afternoon. So that's his first meal of the day, a crepe and some mac and cheese, because that's how we do it. So day 6 basically getting started because we went back to bed after breakfast. Yeah. Asa, are you done with your drink?
I added all the drinks together plus tropical mango, and it tastes so much good.
Nice.
We're in line for ice cream. This will be like my 12th, maybe.
Don't judge us. It's fine. It's just ice cream. You gotta get the confirmation. Are we gonna post up on our people watching section?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, see if I can catch these kids flying out.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, at the AquaDome, getting ready to watch the show. Again, about an hour early, trying to get good seating. We are right up front. Kane is down here making new friends. That Aqua show was amazing. Aqua action. Little dessert after the show. Kane, did you like the show? You didn't like the water show?
The show was amazing.
Kane did not like the show because it didn't have the motorcycles. We got to go back on the Star then, so he can see that one. I'm down with that.
The show was phenomenal.
Show was good. I appreciated it. The music was really good. I'm glad I got footage that I got because eventually somebody came and told the dude behind me to stop recording. So I got a little bit on a sneak. Don't tell nobody. I'm not going to post the whole thing. Just little clips. You know what I'm saying? Little snips. We are sailing away from Coco Cay. Day 7, last day of the cruise. We've been doing stuff all day. I didn't bring the camera. We took the kids down to the splash pad. That was fun. They had a good time. We left the splash pad because some nasty little pooped in the kids pool, so they shut down the kids pool. So we were like, yeah, it's time to go. So that was like 3 o'clock or whatever. We went back. Sean linked up with the young man on the boat and got invited out to Coco Cay. So he went with them this morning and their family. They had a cabana. Sean got access to Thrill Island, rode all the slides and stuff like that. So Sean had a great day as well. So that was dope. We have the ice show tonight. We are just winding down, gonna pack up and stuff like that, just killing time. It's 5:40 right now. Icon of the Seas it's been good. There are things that we like. I don't know if there are things that I like enough to want to come back to Icon versus the Star. Mainly being, I don't have to drive 5 hours to get here. I can only drive 2.5 and get to Port Canaveral. Yeah, so I'm glad and thankful. It might be a one and done, maybe a 2 and done. We might do this one more time with a group of folks, you know, just so they can also experience it. I think now with the Star, I don't think we got to make that. We don't have to make that journey. Sail away party is rocking. Oh, I've had 2 additional ice creams. Add 2 to the count. Hitting the sail away party. Just sitting up here waiting for the boys to come back with their little food from the AquaDome market. Again, probably of both boats, right? Like the AquaDome market is just the best place to try to go eat. I can't explain enough how good the AquaDome market is, just on a consistent basis. This might be it. I might have some updates again. I guess I can do a casino update on a completely separate video. Yeah, we'll do that. Having a good time. So I'll keep you posted on the rest of the happenings for the night. Last night, day 7, on the Icon of the Seas, listening to the Macarena. Our next cruise is in October. We are on the Wonder. Yes, yeah, end of October, right before.
I haven't did Wonder, but I did Utopia, which is the same.
So this leads me into it. So Charlotte, here with my stateroom attendant, Charlotte, while she's busy working hard. How long have you been with Royal?
Since 2007.
Obviously, you still enjoy it?
Yes, I still do enjoy it.
Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
So lots of people have been talking. We've read a lot of things about different ways to show your appreciation for stateroom attendant. Obviously, I'm sure cash is amazing and you prefer, cash, but what are some of the other things that folks can do or have done that have been kind of like, oh, well, that's so kind and thoughtful?
Because there's certain stuff we can't really get on the ship. It's limited stock when they do bring it in the crew shopping area. People would maybe laundry detergents, maybe body wash, shampoo, conditioner, especially the females.
Really?
People
Okay, that's
like
good
candy,
to know. Candy?
chocolate,
Okay.
stuff we can't get on the ship basically. And then for stateroom attendants especially, the time to get off the ship is very limited. Like stuff like that, more or less.
So I did hear that, like, when we're doing the surveys that come afterwards, that there's an opportunity potentially that, like, you guys can earn like a day off if the reviews are good, or you earn like a certain number of kind of praises. Is that true?
For the other departments, for stateroom attendants, unfortunately, because there's nobody to actually fill in for us, we don't get days off.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. I kind of get it.
We get like few hours to go out in ports, and that's about it. But to say we get days off, it never happens. Not for us.
Okay, all right, so that's good to know. Like, yeah, shampoo. I didn't even think about that. Like shampoo, conditioner, body wash.
Yeah, so especially females, because like I say, on the ship is limited stuff.
Is there anything else? Has there ever been a gift or something that's passengers left that has like stuck with you all these years?
It's been so many.
That's great.
Yeah.
First of all, kudos to you guys.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Like people always bring like seasonal, like let's say for Halloween, they will bring a Halloween bag with different candies. They leave it for the stateroom attendant. And Christmas, they will bring you a Christmas card with little gift bags with stuff inside. It gives you a good feeling. To say something that stood out, like everything I've made use of.
All right, cool. I don't think that there's anything else. If I think of anything, I'll ask again or whatever. But I appreciate you. You've been amazing.
I feel like I haven't done much.
No, listen, no, it's fine. And part of it is, right, like we've been
cruise a lot.
Right, we cruise a lot, so we're like, we know, like, oh, we don't need you in there every day because I already know that you're losing your mind trying to get all these rooms clean
on time.
Right, so it's fine. Like we're okay. We don't need it every day, and we appreciate everything. But you've been so helpful and so sweet with the kids and stuff. Charlotte has been one of the good ones, so I appreciate her. Hopefully, we get to see you again.
You never know. I do from ship to ship. This is my 14th ship. 14th
ship.
Ship with Royal.
Nice.
The last one being Utopia.
When is your contract done on this?
January.
January
17th to be exact.
Okay. We will keep an eye out for you. Hopefully we see you again.
It's possible. Always possible. It happened before.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. All right, Charlotte. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Carry on with it. We're going to finish out the rest of our evening on this last day. We got the ice skating show here in a minute, and we're going to go. Are you excited for the show? Have you liked the show so far? Yeah.
Daddy, what show is this?
It's called Starburst.
Have I already watched the show?
No, you have not watched the show yet.
Oh, it's a drone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for your Attendant featuring your special guest star, Victor King.
All right, Yahoos. Now that we're out of that Miami traffic, day 8, not on the cruise because we're on our way home. Icon of the Seas was pretty dope. It was good. It was all right. Like I said, I don't know if I would do it again. Maybe one more time. Brandy Bootchilders, Moya, what was your favorite part of Icon of the Seas?
Wizard of Oz show.
Wizard of Oz. Pretty freaking good. Jonathan, James, Antoine, Moya, what was your favorite part?
It's definitely getting invited to Thrill Island.
Yes. At
For the
Perfect
first
Day at
time.
Coco Cay. Yeah.
By a stranger.
By a stranger. Rando, stranger, massage, shout out. I don't know if Sean gave you the info, but we'll link you. Asa Besa,
Ice cream.
ice cream. That was your favorite part?
Yeah.
Lots of it. I don't even know what the count was. He had a couple more.
Like 15.
Yeah, it was aggressive. Sugar King, what was your favorite part of the cruise?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Yeah.
Good.
He's pouting back there. I liked it. I mean, it wasn't terrible. I'm not gonna say I hated it, you know? I'm not gonna say that like, oh, it was a terrible blah 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 blah. The food was a little like, you could tell like it's been running for a little while, and they're not really trying as hard right now. We never went to the main dining. I will be adding that to my survey though, that I should not be getting a phone call every single day because I'm not going to main dining when I have my time dining. So that was crazy. Probably book it, one more time because it is an Icon class ship and it is incredible. If I had the choice, I would pick the Star,
No one likes to drive to Miami.
Yeah, driving to Miami. And I think really, honestly, it's probably that. Like, if I don't have to drive to Miami, then I'm not going to. Like, I'll just book the Star. We are on the Wonder in October. It'll be a Halloween cruise for us. We actually get back Halloween Day. So we got to figure out what we're going to do for costumes and all that other groovy stuff. So that is the next one. The Wonder is not a casino comp cruise. The Wonder is a paid cruise, which we never did call to try to get the price adjustment, by the way. We definitely got some offers that we need to book and some more offers coming in. We did get our prime goal, our prime target, another instant cruise certificate.
Even for Sean.
Yep, even Sean got a cruise certificate. Woo, Sean, you degenerate. Good times. On to the next one. We will see you in the next one. I appreciate you. Love your faces. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the stuff. Ask any questions you got. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Peace.